Ok. Challenge pour chronométrer. Ok. Allons-y.
Dear Joe President, dear Joe member, dear parents, dear friends, good morning and welcome to the presentation of JUNA and we are honored to be here to present our project on intergenerational and preventive health, especially on
development of mobile applications using AI for medical and genealogical analysis.
That project was conducted at Lab Lokosa under the supervision of Professor Clotilde Gidi and engineer Hadi Mama, as part of 2024 to 2025 academic year.
So here is a quick outline of our presentation today.
Firstly, we'll present